foot for. Got him wanting more. He want Jazzy for sure. Got him peeping through my.
Hi guys. Good morning or good afternoon, wherever it is time for you. I'm getting ready to make my oil for my Empress Herbal Oil I'm about to make right now, and that can be used for your hair or your skin, body, scalp. It's a universal oil, so anywhere that you use it, it's going to be put to use. Now it is infused with herbs. I will not be showing my recipe on here because I sell my oil and it's not a wholesale item. I do not formulate my my product to be sold under another name, only my name. So for that factor, I will not be releasing what exactly I put in my oils. I'm just letting y'all see the process. Safety first. Always gotta wear gloves when you're operating with someone with a product that you're sending out to someone else. You always gotta work on a clean surface. So I like to put down like a bag, a plastic bag down, a clean, fresh plastic bag. Tape it to my table, and that becomes my workspace. If I don't have any plastic bag, then I work with a clean towel on top of the surface, and then I might put like a board down, like a cutlery board to work on top of. Sanitize, of course. You want to spray everything down with alcohol, make sure it's clean, and wash with soap and water before you start. I've got all my ingredients together right now, and so y'all are just going to come along and ride for some of it. I'm just going to do some of it on camera. So right now, I want y'all to see, I don't know if y'all can see it, but I have gotten my my oil bottles and droppers spritz with alcohol. I've already washed them with soap and water, so I'm just going to lay them out to dry. Alright guys, go ahead and grab you a fresh new bowl, of course washed and sanitized, and now we're going to start to make our oil. Let me get up close to you, close for you. We're going to start off Alright, sit your oil to the side. I've added all the ingredients to my oil. I did the important ingredients off camera. Now I'm gonna prepare my herbs that go at the bottom of the Empress oil. So I do fill my my bottles about that much up with herbs alone. So let's get that started. Alright you guys, I have put the red rose petals in at the bottom, as you can see. Hope you guys can see that. Red rose petals are in, and now I'm going to fill it with the rest of the dry herb ingredients. I'm only going to take half a tablespoon of them, as you can see, and put it in like such. Now that it's in, you may have to coerce some of them to get to the bottom. I'm shaking this little tunnel thing. So now they're all at the bottom. It should look like this. That's all the dry herbs. Now I'm going to put my oil in. Alright guys, now we're ready to package. Finally! I want to show you guys how all the products came out. This is the mango whip. And I have perforated the top. The seal, the plastic seal is on there. This is the 16 ounce. I've got the Nubian body butter. Nubian Goddess body butter. And it's like a golden flake, but it's like a white whipped golden one. And then this one is the Unicorn Goddess body butter, which is rainbow colored, if you can see that. I love it. It's so cute. This is the 8 ounce. And then the Empress, my fave, the Empress Herbal Oil. It is also perforated at the top. I don't know if you can see that, the plastic wrap. And it has herbs in it. Y'all saw when I was making it. And I'm about to package it up in my box and then put it into a bubble mailer. So let's get started.